Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we take the guesswork out of shopping and help you save your hard-earned cash. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. That's right, hold on to your circuits because we're comparing the CORSAIR RM1000x and the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA 31050W. Let's see which of these powerhouses will reign supreme. First up, let's talk about the price. The CORSAIR RM1000x comes in at a shocking $189, which some reviewers feel is justified given its performance and efficiency. Meanwhile, the Toughpower GFA3 is a bargain at just $169. Reviewers appreciate this more budget-friendly option, making it a great choice for those looking to save a few bucks while still getting decent performance. But remember, you get what you pay for. Next, let's talk modularity. Because nobody wants a spaghetti monster lurking inside their PC case. The CORSAIR RM1000x is fully modular, which reviewers rave about for easy cable management and a clean build. The Toughpower GFA3 is also fully modular, featuring low-profile flat cables that users love for their aesthetic appeal. Both products excel in this area, making cable chaos a thing of the past. Let's move on to cooling. The CORSAIR RM1000x features a 135mm magnetic levitation fan, which reviewers have praised for its quiet operation, even under load. The Toughpower GFA3 also keeps things cool and quiet, with many users reporting no overheating issues after extended use. Both power supplies do an excellent job of maintaining optimal temperatures without making a racket. Now, let's get serious and talk about reliability. The CORSAIR RM1000x boasts 100% all-Japanese 105 degrees Celsius capacitors, which many users trust for rock-solid power delivery. On the other hand, while the Toughpower GFA3 has received mixed reviews regarding reliability, some users have reported issues with system restarts. Others have praised its performance and durability after long-term use. This category might lean towards the CORSAIR for those prioritizing reliability. Finally, we have certifications. Both power supplies are 80 PLUS Gold certified, meaning they're efficient and will save you money on your electric bill. Reviewers have noted that this certification is a huge plus for both models, allowing for peace of mind and confidence in gaming setups. Both are compatible with the latest graphics cards, ensuring you can game with confidence. Overall, the CORSAIR RM1000x is highly praised for its reliability, quiet operation, and modular design, making it a favorite among enthusiasts. The Thermaltake Toughpower GFA3, while offering a great value and decent performance, has received mixed feedback, especially regarding reliability in certain setups. This makes the CORSAIR a more trusted choice for serious gamers and builders. So which power supply should you choose? If you're looking for a reliable, fully modular option and don't mind spending a bit more, the CORSAIR RM1000x is a solid choice. But if you're on a budget and want something that still packs a punch, the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA3 might just be your new best friend. In the end, it all comes down to your needs and budget. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Remember, buy smart or buy twice. See you next time!